Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 26. If the angle of a quadrilateral are 3y plus 10 degree and 2y plus 30 degree and y plus 20 degree and 4y degree, find the value of y. You see, if the angle of a quadrilateral are this, that's if they are what's given below. Now, like we know, sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral, for example a square or a rectangle, is 360 degree. So that means that 3y plus 10 plus 2y plus 30 plus y plus 20 plus 4y is equals to 360. So from this we have 10y plus 60 is equals to 360. So 10y is equals to 360 minus 60. 10y is equals to 300. Now from this we can say y is equals to 300 all over 10, which is equals to 30 degrees. So the value of y is 30 degrees, and that is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.